Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Welcome to the Big Ideas series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. Today's video explains the 7 wonders of the modern world. These monuments were chosen from a global vote by people who love history, art, and architecture. They represent human achievement in construction and design in the last few centuries. Each wonder has a unique story and a powerful meaning. We start our tour with the first wonder and then move through all wonders, exploring their history and features. The Great Wall of China in China. The Great Wall of China is an enormous fortification built to protect ancient Chinese states from invaders. Its construction began over 2,000 years ago. The wall stretches over 13,000 miles from deserts and mountains in the east to rugged terrain in the west. Made mostly of stone, brick, earth, wood, and other materials, its construction spanned many dynasties. Workers built the wall using millions of stones and bricks. The structure winds across China, showcasing engineering expertise. Today, visitors explore sections of the wall to see watchtowers, battlements, and the ancient paths of soldiers. The Great Wall reflects the organization, effort, and skill of its creators. It symbolizes the enduring spirit of a nation that valued its defense and unity. Petra in Jordan. Petra is an ancient city carved into red sandstone cliffs in Jordan. This city is famous for its rock-cut architecture and water management systems. The most well-known structure in Petra is the treasury. Carved directly from the mountain, its elaborate facade shows advanced artistry. Petra served as the capital of the Nabatean Kingdom and later became an important stop on trade routes between Arabia, Egypt, and Asia. The city's hidden facades and vast complex of tombs, temples, and theaters give insight into the ingenuity of its builders. Today, Petra attracts travelers from around the world who come to see the clever design and natural beauty of the site. Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. Christ the Redeemer is a giant statue of Jesus Christ that stands atop the Corcovado mountain near Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. This iconic monument was completed in 1931. It was built from reinforced concrete with a soapstone outer layer that is resistant to weather. The statue measures about 98 feet tall, with arms that stretch wide to embrace the city below. Christ the Redeemer is a symbol of peace and welcoming in Brazil. Pilgrims and tourists make the journey by train or car to reach the statue's base, enjoying sweeping views of Rio de Janeiro along the way. The monument is especially striking during sunrise or sunset when the light plays off the mountains and the statue glows. Machu Picchu in Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city set high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. It was built during the height of the Incan Empire around the 15th century. The site is renowned for its well-preserved ruins and breathtaking mountain backdrop. The city features terraced fields, temples, and stone structures arranged with mathematical precision. People believe Machu Picchu was a royal estate or a sacred site. The exact purpose of Machu Picchu remains a topic of study for archaeologists. Today, visitors use hiking trails like the Inca Trail to reach the site. Machu Picchu continues to inspire those who seek to understand the power of ancient civilizations and their connection with nature. Chichen Itza in Mexico. Chichen Itza is a large, pre-Columbian archaeological site located in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. It was once a major city of the Maya civilization and is now famous for its step pyramid known as El Castillo, has 4 sides with 91 steps on each side. During equinoxes in the spring and fall, the sunlight creates an optical illusion that looks like a snake descending the pyramid steps. This phenomenon highlights the Maya people's understanding of astronomy and mathematics. Chichen Itza also includes a large ball court, observatories, and other temples, which together show the social, cultural, and religious life of the Maya. The site remains an important symbol of ancient ingenuity and remains popular with both archaeologists and tourists. The Roman Colosseum in Italy. The Roman Colosseum is an ancient amphitheater in the center of Rome, Italy. It was built nearly 2,000 years ago and is known for its grand design and purpose as an area for public spectacles. Gladiator contests, mock sea battles, and animal hunts were held in this impressive arena. The Colosseum could seat tens of thousands of people. Its complex system of arcs, corridors, and vaults showed the advanced engineering skills of ancient Romans. The structure is built on stone and concrete, and despite centuries of damage from earthquakes and other events, many parts of the Colosseum still stand today. Tourists visit to appreciate the scale and beauty of Roman architectural design and to imagine the history that took place within its walls. The Taj Mahal in India. The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum located in Agra, India. It was commissioned and built in the 17th century. It represents the pinnacle of Mughal architecture and art. The monument is set against beautiful gardens and a reflecting pool, which enhances its symmetry and design. Intricate carvings and inlay work decorate the marble, and the structure appears to change color depending on the light and time of day. The Taj Mahal is not only a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, but also a lasting symbol of love. It continues to draw millions of visitors from around the world who admire its exquisite beauty and historical significance. Today, we visited the 7 wonders of the modern world: the Great Wall of China, Petra, Christ the Redeemer, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza, the Roman Colosseum, and the Taj Mahal. Show the brilliance of human creativity. They tell stories of ancient empires, powerful rulers, and cultures that have shaped our world. Each monument continues to inspire people by showing what can be built when imagination, skill, and determination come together. Their histories invite us to learn more about the past and appreciate the rich heritage we share. Thank you for watching the Big Ideas series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.